Good morning from Fort Nelson, the Motel 6 at Fort Nelson. So we got a change of plans. I didn't like the thought of having to drive 800 kilometers on this tire. As you can see, there's no real tread left. And with the plug on it, I wasn't too confident that I could make it all the way to Prince George. So it's only 400k to Fort St. John, and I have managed to get a tire delivered. Hopefully it should be there by tomorrow and we can get it changed up. So we'll be spending the night in Fort St. John, and it's just a quick drive down the road, and so I'm all packed up and ready to go. The weather is actually nice and sunny and mild. I'll be able to gear down, not have all my winter stuff on, so that'll be nice for a change. And we'll probably be able to get a hike in Fort St. John since we've got all day. All right, well, let's hit the road. And we're off. Construction stop, 250 kilometers to go. All right, just fueled up, 200k to go. Fort St. John now. Got myself a fancy room on the 6th floor overlooking the entire city. The tire is going to be coming in the morning, and I'm going to get an oil change done as well, so I'll be all ready for the road. So right now I'm doing laundry, first time in 2 weeks, and I'm going to go, they have a gym, so I'm going to go pump some weights, get these weak arms back up to snuff. It's all going to happen in one session. Well, let's go check out the gym. Here's the gym. Not a bad setup. It pretty much will have everything I need. Unfortunately, the only clean shirt I have left is this long sleeve shirt, so I'm not going to be able to show you guys my awesome guns. You'll just have to wait for another time to see those. All right, let's hit the weights. workout done. Still nice weather out. Apparently the tire has just been delivered tonight. So first thing in the morning, we should be able to get the tire on, the oil change, and then we'll be good to get on the road. Now I'm just gonna figure out what I'm gonna do for dinner. And then it'll be bedtime. And I'll say goodnight. So, hope you enjoyed today. Please like and subscribe.